Do I have to be light to feel beautiful?
What are we talking about?
Makeup for nude girl. Nude makeup.
Wow.
We fought here and I was crying. I don't want to say I was on the brink of tears.
Why?
Because I wanted nude makeup and Devi very innocently said nude makeup is not for dark girls. First of all,
that is so direct. I didn't say that. That is
makeup
how you
artists
speak.
out there,
You tell us makeup artists like doing dark faces. Makeup artists these days will say light skin faces are so overrated.
you guys, just check that bit. I did this for myself. Definitely it's not as professional as it should be, but that's the essence of this video today. Makeup for dark girls. Now this is a basic look that my makeup artist from work, Davey, taught me, and well, it's been such a struggle, you know, because essentially media in this country only recently did it begin opening up its doors to dark girls. Akina Yvonne Okwara, they're the poster children of dark girls in the media. And actually, when I was training in media school, there was that bit of me that was very rebellious, and I knew maybe I might be a news anchor, but I did print and broadcast, so print was my backup plan. And it's been such a struggle fitting in, being a part of the crew, because you know we are not light and you know don't have big boobs, don't have big hips, so I just didn't fit into that, say, celebrity body criteria. And even with makeup it was so difficult because I have this skin tone where sometimes I have to blend 2 shades of foundation to get my right shade, and I'm a very bold person. Sometimes I come off as very strong, so when you give me bold makeup, the red lips and stuff, it becomes very intimidating. And also the thing about news is I'm not the news, you know, I'm just there to convey the news. So I wanted a look that could tone everything down. So I began having a conversation with our makeup artist, and I know this is a struggle for many girls because I've been getting a nude lip. Just getting a nude lipstick is such a struggle, you know. Even this nude lip, I've blended 2 colors just to get this close, you understand? So we began having a conversation with Davey, and it was a really difficult conversation. You'll see that in the video. And there were tears the day that I said I wanted nude makeup because some hurtful things were said, and from a place of love or maybe from a place of ignorance. But all is well that ended well. Along the way we were able to hack the look. So this is how it looks from a layman's perspective, because I'm not a professional makeup artist. But I filmed a video of the nude makeup when my makeup artist was putting it on me. So let's get to the video and then we shall come back and discuss everything and wind up. Let's cross over to the video. I'm going in for makeup. Look at that. Look at that view, you guys. Look at that view. Look at that. You can't beat that. I think one of my highlights of working at Metropole TV is that view. So in a bit we will get into the makeup. Goodies from the makeup artist. You guys, we didn't come to play. Today we are slaying. We are slaying. Look at that. Honestly, I don't know what these are, but they look like good things.
What are we talking about?
Makeup for nude girl. Nude makeup.
Wow. Are you trying to explore the nude scene?
No, I'm saying makeup for nude makeup for dark girls, because there's a day, Debbie, I don't know if you're comfortable with me saying this.
Say.
We fought here and I was crying. I don't want to say I was on the brink of tears.
Why?
Because I wanted nude makeup and Debbie very innocently said nude makeup is not for dark girls. and I was so
I have
hurt.
so much to say about that, but I'll say it off camera because that's when I might even punch you.
I was so
I
hurt.
mean, first of all,
That is so direct. I didn't say that. That is
makeup
how you
artists
take it.
out there, you'll tell us makeup artists like doing dark faces. Makeup artists these days will say light skin faces are so overrated. Even the industry is churning out nude makeup for dark girls. You're just jealous because you ain't like.
I brought my lawyer.
I know she can win over everything, but that's not exactly what I said.
What did you say?
This chick wanted to look like someone.
Who?
No, okay. Let me say this. There are not many dark girls in the TV industry, right? So I said I want nude makeup, and he said, it might not necessarily look good on you. So he said, and then I gave an example with an anchor who's dark and said, look at her, she does it. And then he said, why are you comparing yourself to her? And
But
I'm
she
like,
was dark.
she's the benchmark.
She was not comparing her. She was only comparing her. You would go with your light skin. And the reason they diss us and they
But
don't
to
give
be
us
honest,
nude.
I am so good with dark skin makeup.
So why didn't you want to give her nude look and tell her like it's not meant for her?
I think we were just having conflict of interest.
With
But
our
guess what?
self-esteem.
We were starting.
Okay.
We were starting. No, we don't fight.
Alright.
Yeah, I mean, also, we've come a long way because then
Just the fact that he said it, I can't get over it.
it was so hurtful. I cried.
I'm gonna buy nude makeup here and you're going to put it on my face and you're gonna make me look smashing.
No, I cried that
Okay,
day.
enough of this lawyer.
Because I remember I was telling him,
Yeah.
I've worked so hard to be here because this is not a space necessarily
I
for
hear
dark
you.
girls. That it's always light girls, pointy.
And then you made it.
ugly.
It's true.
I have
And then you
issues
made
with my
it.
makeup here. What do you mean?
No, I
But
mean the
whole
media
point is
industry.
Danson legit told her he cannot give her nude look because she's dark. But even this is a stigma we go through as dark
No,
girls.
it's okay.
This is the other question. As much as everyone is playing victim and shit.
No one
Aye.
Is
that's
it
not
no?
victimizing
Would
us.
you rather have a nude look that makes you look like weird
But
as
there are
hell?
nude looks for
Or-
dark girls, is what I'm
Okay.
saying. That's when I was acting like dark girls can never look good. Conchita, I'm
Of
bringing
course
a
they
bag
look
of
good.
nude makeup. First of all, I make everything look
course they
good.
look
I'm bringing
good.
a bag of
Yes.
nude makeup here. That's when you're gonna make me look smashing. If it kills you.
My shoes. We'll just play and comment, right? Transformation loading. It's okay. The good thing is you don't have nails.
I don't even like nails.
Me too.
You don't go and get the artificial ones, the acrylics and stuff.
A girl is broke for starters. But again, David, let me tell you, between you and me and our vloggers, at the onset of my career, nilienda nikawekwa hizo makucha at some posh place, nikalipa mapesa. I think I paid 4-5.
Yo.
Ndugu yangu, those nails are nice, but I don't have a dishwasher at home. I am the dishwasher, I am the washing machine, I am the vacuum cleaner, I am the chef. And then you guys, TMI, but people with nails like Khloe Kardashian, do you shower? Do you go to the toilet?
Yeah.
How?
You need to learn how to use your
Even like at your phone, you're typing like this, or you're like, I can't. And then even you can't button anything, and it's painful if anything hits that nail.
Were you able to eat your fish?
No, it's so gross because ugali na baki ndani ya hizo makucha. That's I'm just
so
a
you're
villager.
saying a village girl can't have this.
Guys, I don't know if you can see, this is the final look. I love it. I really love it. I do. We'll insert a picture, like a good one, so that it can capture every single thing that Devi has put on my face.
We need details.
Yes, but this is so good, and I'll also attach his details so that if you're a dark girl and you ever need makeup, you know who to go to. Yes, like me. Babe. I remember that day when the makeup artist said nude lipstick is not, nude looks are not for dark girls. I cried and I was like, I've worked so hard to be here, like I deserve to be here. And when you're dark, you have to make up for something, you know. It's like you're not beautiful according to societal standards, and you have to keep making up for it. So you have to be smart, you have to get good grades, you have to be a joyous person so we can feed off your joy. You have to radiate with happiness, you have to be kind, you have to be caring, all these other qualities, as if to make up for that one fact that you're not light and you're not beautiful according to societal standards. And it's something that I've really battled with for a long time, you know. Now I'm at a place where I just don't care, you know. I don't care what people want to think about me or my skin tone, but why should I not care? Why shouldn't I feel beautiful, you know? Like, do I have to be light to feel beautiful? Do I have to be light for certain makeup looks to look good on me? And this is not me being bitter or something, because, well, the makeup artist and I are now good. We've devised a way of working together. I am wearing nude makeup right now. Maybe let me just remove my glasses so you guys can see it clearly. But it's just difficult being dark out here, you know. And also, like, being in the media industry makes it more difficult because, you know, previously we knew the media for pointy girls, for light-skinned girls, you know them. And then now there's this breed of us, and I dare you, look at all that girls in the media. They really are good at their job, and they always use Yvonne Okora as the poster child. Tell me any other lady in the media industry that does her research, that just asks questions and tackles interviews the way she does. It's like, you have to be really good, unless there's no room for you, because guess what? You're not light, you're not beautiful, so why should somebody come watch you? And there was a day I was watching a conversation between Oprah and Lupita, and they were discussing colorism in the media and entertainment space. And somebody asked Lupita, wow, you have good skin. Does it ever react to Hell yeah. Look at this. Look at this here. Yeah. We react to products, you know. And she said, being dark forced her, just like I said earlier on, to develop other traits around her. She became really good at her job. She has a good attitude. She's mastered the art of her craft, and to some point that has given her a good opportunity, like a good fighting chance. And when you get to show people your worth, then maybe at some point they stop looking at you because the way you look or your skin tone takes a backseat, and now they just focus on your craft. But it's really difficult. Like, sometimes I sit down and I ask myself, how about that dark girl who's not as aggressive as I am, who cannot handle all the pressure that I take just to be good at what I do? What's their fate? You know, if they want to be in the media, what's their fate? Are they going to sit on the anchor seat? Are they ever going to host their show? So many questions, you know. If you're light and you're not good at your job, you'll be forgiven when in Supu. If you're dark and you're not good at your job, hey, my friend, you will trend on Twitter. Kenyans will troll you. There's even this meme that was saying, has somebody ever told you you're beautiful? And then the lady says no, and then the dude says, at least you're surrounded by honest people. What the hell? What the hell? That statement will never be said to somebody who's light. So the playing field is not leveled. It's not at all. And we have to work hard. This is not a rant. It sounds like a rant. I just wanted to come out here and say, I think the media landscape is changing, and where they refuse to change, we're going to twist their arms until they change. That day I was crying, but I was defending myself and telling my makeup artist, you know what? I'm not here by chance. I'm not here by luck. I put in the hours. When Metropole Debrief began, I would come here on Saturday and on Sunday to the office just to do my research and be on point so that I don't go in there and be that blondie, dark girl, because I will not be forgiven. So I've put in my fair share of work. So when I say I want to feel beautiful, I want to look a certain way, level up. Just level up, you know, work with me so that I can work with you. And it's such a good thing that he took it as in a good way, as a challenge. And today here we are. I love this look. I'll post some pictures that I've taken, because sometimes you're talking about really heavy topics. For example, police brutality. Yo, I can be in black pants, a black top, and then a red lip. How? Or the red lipstick symbolizes the blood that is being shed. No. So that day we went for a really toned look and attached the picture. We've also done other nude looks where now I'm wearing bolder colors like burgundy, and the lipstick really tones it down. So we are at a good place. I think we are making strides. Personally, when it comes to beauty in the media industry, I'm beginning to put my foot down and say, this is what I want, this is what you'll give me, this is the skin tone that I bring on the table. You find products, whatever concoction, and give it to me, so that when I'm going on air, I feel good about myself. I feel beautiful. I have that right, you know. I have that right. And to that girl out there who thinks, oh, I'm dark, oh, I'm not beautiful, I cannot say that I am beautiful, because there are days that I wake up and I never think of myself as beautiful, or I never think about beauty. All I think about is, am I good at my job? Am I being kind to people? Am I being nice to people? You see, those other two traits that you're developing, they'll come in a long way. But I don't want you to feel this way, because this is how, for over 20 years, that's the information that I've been consuming of the media. And some of us are here so that we can change that perspective. Some of us find with our makeup artists to give us these types of looks, so that when it's your turn in the media, you can use us as benchmarks, you know. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. No, I'm not gonna cry. But you deserve to be here. You deserve to feel beautiful. If you want nude makeup, you should get it. You deserve all those opportunities without breaking your back, like those of us who came before you are doing. And I cannot even say I'm breaking my back, because there are people who really fought to even be on the screen. Maybe they're using them as benchmarks and say, let's try this dark girl, if she's good then. So the fight continues, but just know that let nobody tell you what you can't or can't do. Makeup wise, beauty wise, you define yourself. And I choose to define myself moving forward, you know. Maybe I will reconcile with beauty one day and I will feel beautiful and I will define myself as beautiful, but my head has been infiltrated with so much information about beauty. And when I think of myself accurately, I would never say I'm beautiful. I would say I'm intelligent. I would say I'm kind. I would say I'm nice to people. I would say I'm hardworking. But I look forward to the day that I can say I'm beautiful. And in the meantime, this makeup makes me feel good. It makes me look in the mirror and go like, yeah, I like the girl that I'm seeing. So thank you, Davy. Sorry about, no, I'm not sorry. That's how I feel. And I'm 100% sure that's how very many girls out there might be feeling, or even worse, you know. So hit the comment section. Let's have a conversation about this, you know, nude makeup for girls, beauty product for girls, just the colorism in the society that we are living in. This was my little way of starting that conversation. So let's keep it going. Thank you so much for being here. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Bye guys.